Hello guys, my name is Mario and I want to show you one of the most beautiful beaches in the United Kingdom, also the place where I crashed my drone. So here it is, Scrinkle Haven Beach and Church Door Cove in Monaubair, Wales. Monaubair area, where the Scrinkle Haven Beach is located, is one of my favorite places in the United Kingdom. There you can find on amazing landscapes, crystal clear water, large caves and spectacular cliffs. Monaubair is located in the southwest of Wales, and together we had to drive for nearly 5 hours. We only been there once, but we really want to come back. Once we arrived there, we couldn't go on the beach because the tide was still too high. So we decided to go for a walk along the Pembrokeshire coast path to the end of the coastline. From there, we had an amazing view on the Lidstep beach and Caldy Island. I talked to locals and they said it's really worth it to visit the island, however, we didn't have enough time. If you want to visit the island, you can get there by catching the ferry from Tenby. Then we headed back to the Church Door Cove. To get to the bottom part, we used the metal steps. We spent some time there and waited for the tide to get lower. We then decided to go to the hidden Scrinkle Haven Beach. There is 2 ways you can get there. The first option that we used to get to the beach, as the tide was low, we get into the sea and walk around the rocks. Halfway through, you can get this beautiful Jurassic view of the Scrinkle Haven Beach. We spent some time on the beach to get some sun, meet some people, but also to discover some spectacular caves. Then we realized this must be the definition of the United Kingdom's paradise. And the second way that we used to get back to the Church Door Cove is even more exciting. There is a hole in the rocks that is big enough for people to be able to cross, and is visible only when the tide is low. There also was a third way, but it was closed. We saw the cross nearby, which might suggest someone died there. We could only assume the walk path was closed because it was too dangerous to use it. Once we get back to the Church Door Cove, I had the smartest idea ever. Let's fly drone through the Arc Rock Formation. You can only imagine how this ended up, right? I crashed my drone and it landed in the sea. This is the last footage from the drone that I managed to get. When I try to recover the drone, I get some injuries. Luckily, my better half managed to find the drone under the water. Unfortunately, drone is not waterproof, so I could no longer use the drone to fly. But it looks great as a background on some of my videos. Just have a look. This is the drone. And I managed to get a new one, DJI R2S, and I already tested it in Spain. So next few weeks I will upload the videos from Barcelona and Mallorca, so please make sure you subscribe to stay up to date. I cannot recommend Scrinkle Haven Beach enough, as this is one of my favorite places in the United Kingdom. Hope you guys staying safe up there with the current situation. Thank you for spending your precious time to watch this video, and see you next time. Goodbye.